Hello and welcome to our instructional video for how to register for classes. In order to acquire your classes, you must be acquainted with the registration process. This video will show you, step by step, how to register for your approved term plan, how to search for additional courses, and how to add those courses to your schedule. Begin by going to rweb.ucr.edu. Scroll down and click the student profile icon in order to view your time ticket. Registration dates and times are referred to as time tickets. A student may initially enroll in classes during their assigned time ticket and may continue to make changes to their schedules during First Pass and Makeup/Open Enrollment via RWeb. Once you have ensured that your time ticket is within range on the student profile, go back to the RWeb homepage and click the registration icon. Once the new page loads, find the Register for Classes button and click it. Select a term under Terms Open for Registration and press Continue. In this example, we will choose Spring 2019. The quickest way to register for your classes is to use the term plan. Choose the preferred plan approved by your major advisor by clicking Plans. This will reveal the entire plan your advisor has approved and allow you to add your entire schedule at once with the Add All icon. If you would like to add a course that was not on your term plan, return to Find Classes and type in the course or course registration number to search for it. Then, find a section with available spaces and add all the required components. Now that you have all your classes, submit your schedule and you will be enrolled. Thank you for watching.